you have to tell Grace whether she has done an acceptable job or not. Perfect.
Really?
And she's married already. Can you imagine? What a way.
And she made everything. Ate.
Yes. Ate. Hey. Right?
Cheers! Hindi pa yan nakainom. How much more ko wag nakainom na? Kaya tuwang-tawa si Sir sa'yo eh. Ayan na, magbubukas na siya ng beer. Ano?
Hindi yan ang amin na vlog.
Hindi na makakita yung wala ka naman kaibigan natin.
Pag-type tayo dyan. Ano yung sabi ni Sir? Magsayaw daw tayo tatlo. Ay! Where's Ate Irene? Car. Ano daw?
Nahanap na ng yaya niya. I'm looking for yaya.
Ito ang pugi naming driver, si Kuya Noli.
Who's that? Kuya who? Who's that cat? Kilala ka niya, Kuya Noli. Oh,
Kuya Noli. Saan ka kumuha ng pansit?
Sa Kalyaro. Mahilig kasi na sa Kalyaro.
May pa.
May gamgam pa, oh. Gusto ko matikman yung pesa, kaya naman dito sa labas.
Alin?
Ang lasang na niya ba?
Gusto nga niya nga, ano, kumain na ba kayo nito? Sabi nga ni Sir.
May I introduce
Oh my God, Sir Carl!
two lovely girlies. Yeah.
Wow, that is exactly the...
This is
I'm so sorry. I did not participate.
I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry.
I did.
I think he's your lucky boy. Yeah. I'm a bit afraid of the girl. Because we've got one princess already here. Thank you, let's put the in working. Come out to the end.
You can speak Tagalog, right?
Only Kuya.
Ayos, Kuya Noli. Good job, Kuya Noli. Dive na, Kuya Noli. Dive.
Vlog na yan ah.
Mag-swimming na tayo.
Dahil gusto ko tayo po na swimming booking ah.
Ano? Bakit? Ah. Pumutok?
Ano ba doon? Baka masugatan doon. Isang part.
Wala, anong nangyayari sa cake? Oh no! Hindi makita. Na-slice ko na yan eh. Dali. Ayan, na-slice na. Oh, yummy yummy cake. Gawa namin ni Sir kagabi yan.
Okay, lipat na doon.
Tapos dala ka ng trash bag.
Okay, ako na sa Google.
Yan yung nagpalit mo.
My mom birthday. Ayaw ko. Salta ka tayo.
Ayos mga helpers! Lasing pa mga to? Hindi ba yan nag-a-shot ha? Kahit isa?
Drink, sir, drink.
Drink? Ah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Dito mo na ulit mo ano cold water sa mga. Nakabulasa.
Very German though. I'm surprised you know this.
Yes!
Yeah.
Of course!
Yes, that is our aim. That song.
Really, and it was famous in the Philippines. Wow, I was on a web and they have spread so far. Okay.
Saan si Sir? Ay, nandiyan na si Sir! Sir!
Come on, sir, let's dance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dance time!
Get the rolling, get the rolling.
No need.
Please,
Like I like you.
Right.
behave!
I don't want to see any insolent.
Ah, okay sir, thank you! Okay sir, thank you!
And you're not clean up for that.
Yes.
And you can fix that for the stock. Sabi ko magsayaw dito eh. Sasayaw ko sana si Sir. Kaso mag-Sir. Yeah, okay. Oh.
Wow! Wow! Yay! That's nice! Come on, join us!
You can dance, Sir. Oh, you go dance.
Yay! So sweet! Oh my god, I like it! That's so nice!
Yeah.
It's like the German disco pop.
Oh. So that's how the German dance.
It's difficult obviously here, but it's not boring.
That's nice,
Kind of like
sir.
whole thing. It's kind of
So nice. Uh-huh.
So what do you do?
it's called disco fox.
Disco ball.
It's basically similar to like to like
It's similar to salsa.
yeah to salsa. Yeah. Simplified
It's a lot
steps.
of like just
Like the turning.
going in circles.
basic step is just like the
Cha-cha. Oh, cha-cha-cha.
cha-cha is like on the side, and squats like front and back.
Oh, yung pala po ang dapat. Tama yung sabi ni Sir, ano, tayong 4 ng taon na. Marikil ang mga po ng mga bata. 2 bata lang pa yung kita. Kaya ka. Dito rin kami nabili eh. Ay, oh, yun na kami tayo. Sayo ka na, ano titig sa'yo, oh. Sayo ka na, galit, oh. Yan all you dance, sir. Come on, yan all you dance. Yes. Yan all is dancing. Oh, just tayo, card. Dancing card? Get your picture card. Kala ko yung sabi mo lalaki ka lang. Kaya pala eh, nahirapan mo makakita sa kala eh. Hindi pa yung nabibit nila.
May inibito naman yung sa Indian ni Marie.
Ah,
Gusto niya lang kaso nagala muna doon sa Yala Mall.
kaya din siya
Kasi
nagpapababa.
sabi niya, uwi ka ng Norte na area, mag-imagine. Sabi ko, sir, hindi sir, India, dito sabi niya. Sige na kausap siya niya.
Okay naman pala yun. Okay naman pala yun.
Nakaplay na.
Happy birthday, Tia! Wish you more birthdays to come!
O yan, wow. Okay ah.
Come on, dance.
Okay.
You have to dance with
Yeah.
with the boss.
With the ball. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you call him?
Yeah. You have to dance.